it nga ba ang Huawei Nova 5T? Maganda nga ba ang quality? O sayang lang sa pera? Okay nga ba to pang online class? Mabilis ba talaga? Flagship killer ba talaga? Uy! Ano yun? Hey, what's up? It's me, Asha. So for today's video, I am going to do an unboxing and review of this new phone of mine. This is the Huawei Nova 5T. Grabe. So, guys, by the way, just a disclaimer lang, I'm not a pro tech reviewer and I'm not bragging in any way, shape, or form. And this is not sponsored, you guys. So, without further ado, let's start. TBH, guys, na-unbox ko na siya, kaya wala na yung plastic yung box. Pero, binalik ko na lang uli sa loob para lang mapakita ko sa inyo yung mga kasama. Kasi nga, guys, nung binili to, kasi guys, ilang days pa lang to sa akin. Parang 4 days pa lang, ganun. At nung pagkabili nito, guys, grabe, na-excite na naman ang lula ninyo at hindi ko na hinintay na mag-vlog at inopen ko na agad. At hindi kasi ako kasama nung binili to dahil bawal pa nga lumabas, diba? So, yung parents ko yung bumili nito. And, bakit nga ba ako binala ng bagong cellphone? It's because, nasira, guys, yung S8 ko. 4 days bago ito mabili and guys, sira siya. At hindi mo na siya ma-open, ganyan. At sayang yung mga memories doon. And, pinagtsagaan ko naman to kaso nag-edit ako nun. Isa sobrang dami ng files. Wala na siyang storage na tira itong SE ko. Kaya, ayun, binilan ako ni ng mom and dad ng cellphone na bago. And ito siya, yung Huawei Nova 5T. So, let's proceed now. Ito na guys yung box niya. It is Huawei Nova 5T. And what I can say is, sobrang ganda ng kanyang box. I mean, hindi siya cheap tingnan. It's very premium looking. Diba? Super minimalist lang. And the color that I got is crush blue. Yon. So, open na natin siya. Chan-chan yan yan. So, ang sasalubong sa inyo ay yung mga paper stuff niya. And paperworks, by the way. So, andito yung SIM ejector tool para sa SIM ninyo. And nasa loob yung jelly case. At yung mga paperworks like manual, warranty card. Ayan, which hindi ko naman binabasa to. Pero, good thing na may kasama siyang jelly case. And then, yung phone na mismo. So, ito na guys yung cellphone. Naka-plastic siya. And tinanggal ko na guys yung plastic nito ha. And tada! Yan yung kulay niya guys. It's crush blue. And ito na guys yung phone. There. And yung camera niya guys is nandito sa gilid. Yan. Which, ang ganda kasi pag nasa gitna medyo distracting siya. At least yung pag nasa gilid, tatakpan siya. And glossy siya guys. So, now, let's proceed muna dun sa accessories niya bago tayo magpunta into detail. So, tsunan. Dito na yung charger, which is USB-C cord. Yung power brick, na sobrang bilis nito pang charge, guys. The earphones, which is USB-C din kasi wala siyang earphone jack, by the way. So, guys, by the way, etong charger na to is 22.5 watts, supercharged. So, sobrang bilis niya talaga mag-charge, guys, which I freaking love. So, there. Para sa chipset dito guys, it has the high silicon Kirin 980. So, we can find it sa flagship devices nila like Huawei P30, ganun. So, as you can see, it is a flagship device and a flagship killer, which I love kasi yung chipset niya napakabilis. Pa naglalaro ako ng ML, ng Asphalt 9, wala talagang lag ni frame drop, wala guys. And para sa kanyang storage, it has 128GB of internal storage and 8GB of RAM. Grabe guys, ang laki ng RAM na yon. And sobrang bilis ng device na to, sobrang smooth. It can run many apps without even lagging, which I love. And for the cameras guys, it has 5 AI cameras, 4 at the back and 1 at the front. So for the main camera, we have 48 megapixels f1.8. For the ultra-wide, we have 16 megapixels f2.2. For depth sensor, we have 2 megapixels f2.4. And then ito yung flash. And then for the fourth camera, which is outside the camera camera house, we have the macro camera, which is 2 megapixels f2.4. And for the front camera, which is here, we have 32 megapixels f2.0. So, sobrang bilis na ito and sobrang linaw ng camera. And meron din siyang portrait mode, so yun yung may bokeh effect. Now, for the display or physical appearance niya, guys, as you can see, gradient effect na siya, guys, diba? So, there. And kapag natatamaan siya ng light, may sun rays na ganyan coming from the camera itself. And then it has a glass back panel and a metal frame, which is I freaking love. Now for the security, you can have passwords or facial recognition or fingerprint scanner. So for the fingerprint, sobrang bilis. There. Na-unlock ko na siya ulit. Na-unlock na ulit. Yan. And then for the facial recognition, ito guys, yung facial recognition, sobrang bilis. 1, 2, 3. Ang bilis, diba guys? So, yun. Love na love ko to. And guys, ang ganda lang kasi yung USB-C na siya. So, very modern, very now. So, mas madali mag-import ng files kapag USB-C siya. So, there. For the camera, guys, ang aking verdict, it's so perfect. Like, guys, sobrang ganda talaga. Try ko mag-vlog ha, tapos lalagay ko na lang dyan yung screen. So, guys, mag-vlog na lang ako with my HUAWEI Nova 5T. Hey, what's up? It's me, Yasha. So, as you can see, nag-vlog ako ngayon with this HUAWEI Nova 5T. So, yan, nakikita nyo, ganyan. At sobrang linaw ng camera nito, guys. Sobrang proud ako. And, wala, ang ganda talaga ng photos. Ang ganda. And, you can shoot here up to 4K. And, sa front naman at 1080p. So, ayun. Ang ganda! And guys, sobrang perfect nito for vlogging. Like what I said, di ba nga lagi ako nag-vlog with my phone para mas handy, ganyan. So, ang ganda. Grabe. And for the photos, guys, ang perfect. And, guys, kapag nagtitiktok ako, wala siyang lag feature na parang naiiwan yung kamay. Sobrang smooth yung frames per second niya. Kahit TikTok yun, guys, boom. Ang ganda talaga. So, yon. And kapag naglalaro for the chipset naman, talagang nagkasabi siya ng totoo na napakabilis niya kasi pa nag-Asphalt 9 ako or Mobile Legends, walang lag, walang frame drop, sobrang smooth, and ang ganda. Hey, what's up? It's me, Asha. For today's video, I am going to, if you're interested, please just keep on watching. Let's get... Was there a lifetime waiting for us in a world where I was yours? And pwede mo rin siya lagyan ng OTG, guys, para kapag nagagawa ka ng mga Word or documents, PowerPoints, pwede mo siya i-save directly sa flash drive mo with just a USB-C port. Pwede naman yun, may adapter ka lang dapat, which is super on the go. And perfect siya talaga for online classes, lalo na malinaw yung camera, mabilis. It can run several apps without even lagging. Kahit ilan pa yung running apps or background apps mo na naka-open, hindi talaga siya naglalag, which I love. Ang perfect talaga. So, ayun, sobrang worth it nitong HUAWEI Nova 5T. What can I say? It is very worth it. Hindi masasayang ang pera mo dito. Like what I said, it is a flagship killer. It is like a flagship device. It really is a flagship device and I love it, you guys. Perfect siya for online classes. Lalo na ngayon, mag-Zoom meetings na, ganyan. So, kayang-kaya ng device nito i-run yun. And, yun, ang ganda. Grabe. And by the way, guys, yung display nito, ang laki. 6.26 inches display. Grabe, ganun kalaki yung screen niya, girl. Ganun kalaki, ganun. So, yun lang guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did and subscribe to my channel as well to be part of the #YashaFam. And don't forget to follow me in my Instagram accounts at @Yasha_XOXO and at What's Up It's Me Yasha. And if you want to see what's on my phone or what's on my new phone, which is a HUAWEI Nova 5T video, just subscribe to my channel and like this video. And have a Yasha adorable day. Bye! Ang ganda na siya. Ang ganda talaga. So, there. Bye-bye. Mama chup chup.